Welcome to my presentation under the topic which is reading and writing, subheading phonics. Introduction. Reading phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one from another in English language. Phonics is the matching of sound in spoken English with individual letters or group of letters. There are four types of phonics in which we will broadly discuss in the next chapter of the reading and phonics content. How is phonics being taught? By introducing young children to the fun and wonder of books requires a systematic approach to phonics. Teaching children to mix letters, sounds, help them decipher unfamiliar or unknown words by pronouncing them. For example, when a child is taught the sound of letters T, P, A, and S, they can start to build up the words tap, taps, pet, pet, and set. Four different types of phonics. 1. Synthetic phonics. The most widely used approach associated with teaching and reading, in which phonemes, sounds, especially with particular graphemes, letters, are pronounced in isolation and blended together, synthesized. For example, children are taught to take a single syllable word such as cat apart into its three letters, pronounce a phoneme for each letter in turn, K, A, M, T, and blend the phonemes together to form a word. Second, analytic phonics, a popular approach in Western countries. This method is associated with the teaching of reading, in which the phonemes associated with particular graphemes are pronounced in isolation. Children identify, analyze the common phoneme in a set of words in which each word contains the phoneme understood. For example, teacher and pupils discuss how the following words are alike: pet, park, push, and pet. Third, embedded phonics, an approach to the teaching of reading in which phonics forms one part of a whole language program. Embedded phonics differs from other methods in that the instruction is always in the context of literature rather than in separate lessons. Skills to be taught are identified opportunistically, not rather than systematically. The relationship between phonics and reading. It is important for children to learn better sound relationship because English uses letters in alphabet to represent sounds. Phonics teaches this information to help children learn how to read. Children learn the sounds that each letter makes and how a change in order of letters change a word's meaning. Characteristics of effective phonics instruction. Link phonemic awareness to phonics, be explicitly and systematically taught, provide opportunities for practice in reading and writing, include flexible instruction, be taught in an integrated literacy program. Benefits of teaching phonics to kids. Sound symbol recognition becomes faster, reading become better spellers, improve vocabulary, learn syllable structure. The type of phonics which is best to teaching reading. Systematic phonics instruction is significantly more effective than non-systematic or no-phonic instruction in helping to prevent reading difficulties among at-risk students and in helping children overcome reading difficulties.